Meaning of ecstatic.
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 Ecstatic. Ecstatic is an adjective used to describe a state of overwhelming happiness or excitement. It's a feeling of pure joy that can be difficult to contain and often results in visible physical reactions like laughter, jumping, or crying tears of joy. This intense feeling can be brought about by a variety of experiences, such as accomplishing a long-awaited goal, receiving unexpected good news, or being reunited with loved ones. The sensation of ecstasy is a powerful emotion that can leave a lasting impact on an individual, sometimes serving as a peak moment in their life.